You bought a TRICO Tech wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to properly install the TRICO Tech wiper blade onto a 17mm side pin arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs for the pre-attached adapter. These tabs are labeled Press and are located at the back of the adapter. Pinch the tabs at the back of the adapter, then rotate it up to a 35-degree angle. Lift the adapter until it disengages from the blade. Discard it. Now, locate adapter BC and rotate it to a 35-degree angle. Lower the adapter onto the pin until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Hold the blade at a 90-degree angle to the end of the wiper arm and push it all the way onto the arm pin. Rotate the blade until the tab on the top of the arm straddles the top of the blade. The wiper blade will lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.